the GoHighLevel Townhall for May. She was a good one. 8 different areas of updates. This video is going to be a little bit longer than normal. Stay with me. I don't want to rush through them. They were so big, so amazing. Stay with me. Okay, we have the slides here in front of me, and we've got 8 different products that were in focus. We're not going to go into any particular order, but you can see funnels, social planner, emails, content AI, blogs, payments and invoicing, affiliate manager, and reporting. And what's really powerful is we got to see what they launched, what they're going to launch, what's coming up in this quarter, and then what is coming up a little bit further along than that, I think. Or maybe it's all going to try to happen before the end of June, depending on which area we're talking about. But the affiliate manager was really powerful. You can now import contacts before you couldn't. And then you can see down here at the bottom that you can choose the names, or you could even choose a tag, which I thought was really powerful. We've got the trigger now in workflows, and the actions are add to affiliate manager, update, etc. You can pause this video along the way and read these slides if you'd like. Next, we have the ability to download that information, links, stats, etc. from every different affiliate that you would have. And then you also have the ability now to do a flat fee. Before it was just a percentage. And you now can change the email template that's going to go out. This is really powerful for you to be able to customize that for your campaigns. Then they have recent releases which were introduced affiliate statuses as active or inactive. We've got introduced the option to select a website when configuring campaigns. Very powerful. Instantly reflect a sale in a payout. The transaction as soon as it's successful. Supporting coupons. Affiliate Manager has been added to the SaaS configurator, and this one was really big. Leads added to the system using a funnel, a form, a survey, a chat widget, a calendar are all going to be attributed to the affiliate, which is very important. And let's take a look at the Q3 roadmap. The first is the ability to link a direct sale to an affiliate. The affiliate portal is coming to track their data, just like you would have for First Promoter. If you have an affiliate program for GoHighLevel, you go in and log into your First Promoter account through an iframe, of course. Recalculates the affiliate commission in case of a refund. And then they're going to also give us the ability to upload our marketing assets to the affiliate manager in the affiliate portal, that portal Q2, which is about a month and a half away. Reporting up next, very powerful inside of HighLevel. One of the things I think is missing in a lot of other apps that we're using, or if we're using 10 different apps. Up next, reporting. Reporting is very powerful inside of HighLevel. If you've got 10 different apps, you don't get this kind of data. And I'm not sure we get this kind of data like any other app anyway. But what we do have is the ability now to schedule reports out and to also test an email and pause and resume the scheduling of sending these. This is a pro account feature, and you're going to see it under your sub accounts. And then what the report is going to look like is conversations, tasks, etc. with these little blue links that are going to go into your sub account. They're going to direct you in there and go in and read some of the conversations, do some of the tasks, etc. And then we also have the ability to filter a lot better and add more information so that we can see how many funnels, websites, forms, emails, etc., contacts, all of these sorts of things we can filter as well. Very powerful for us as business owners and as SaaS owners to be able to send this information out. Know who's in trouble, right? Who's going to churn? There's some evidence usually, right? And we can see that in some of these reports. And then also we've got some additional support for GA4 that we can send back to different places if we'd like. Recent releases, we've got some performance improvements in loading the stats on call reporting. All call dropdown will show deleted numbers. Performance improvements in loading stats for Google and Facebook. View SMS deals and email reports on agency sub-accounts. Enhance the data accuracy across overall reporting, and the Facebook conversion API field update. Next, the Q2 roadmap is going to be add task, conversation, reputation to all email reports, support all call statuses, and better UX. Currently, I believe it is just missed and taken calls, so they're going to start to add in more statuses into that reporting. Source is also going to be improved, and it's going to be in the attribution reporting. We're going to include more offline source tracking for the call tracking and enhance the sub-account dashboard with more reports. So reporting, very powerful piece. Up next, funnels, websites, forms, and surveys. I love this part. It's one of my favorites. Biggest thing that we're seeing not only over the last couple of months, but more so this month, is speed enhancement. And I love how transparent GoHighLevel is. Let's just show you how bad it was. And we are working on making it better. And it really is around the images, better image compression. And they're now going to introduce the .webp format for images. So that's very important. Lazy loading as well for videos. This is going to give us an overall speed and better ranking. Enhanced funnel sharing options as well. We can now, funnels can be shared across the platform. Option to share is removed, can be removed now, and the share option for funnel list page. So recent release introduced bump order stats in the funnel stats, export submission feature for forms and surveys, faster loading in forms and funnels and websites, enhanced UI, UX of the forms. They look a lot better. Enhance the stability of the image rendering, right? Blog navigation and search element has also been increased. Upcoming release, actually this was dropped just last week, 404 pages, your ability to design, create, very powerful because you're going to be able to save some of that traffic, right? Let's go back home. And upcoming release is the classic funnel builder going into beta in a few days. You'll notice everything's opening on the left. Much better design, enhanced typography, very cool. And we're going to see lead generation from hosted videos, pre-built sections for funnels websites, about us, teams, features, testimonials, huge requests, SEO and speed improvements, pre-built templates and themes for forms and surveys, easy domain integration. What? With funnel and auto update DNS, big game changer for so many of us that can be tech challenged. And the internationalization of forms and funnels, we're starting to see that everywhere, that internationalization. It's Q2, 6 weeks away, folks. Next, we've got the social planner. We have recently an approval flow for the social post, custom fields and values, social planner notification approval flow. Instagram video dimension calculation and content AI has also been dropped. Upcoming releases will be Instagram stories, and then we're also going to have recurring social posts and reconnection enhancement. I think that just dropped last week as well. Search your pages, groups, locations, multiple admin can manage the reconnection, very powerful. What's coming for social planner? We've got Instagram reels, customize for each social channel, design enhancement, watermark each post. What? Internationalization. And one of my favorites, I think, is the Canva integration. Internationalization, you can see if you pause, a little bit of extra languages there. Beautiful to see. Up next, emails. Recent releases, A/B test email builder statistics. Much more improved content AI for the text, the subject, and the call to action. ABI test email builder showing the subject line or the content, who won, and then the template library. The agency can enable this template library. We've seen that last quarter. And then upcoming releases, we've got an inline text editor. You can see it here across the top within the funnels. That is going to be a game changer. And then we also have an email builder navigation coming. Q2 roadmap, local inline forms and survey and a footer. What? I've been asking for the footer, file attachments, layouts, internationalization, and this one is big, resend to unopens. Content AI, wow, one of the few that you can see inside of these marketing software apps that's done this, and it's very powerful. Image AI is coming. The ability to create an image through AI. Blogs. We've got a Q2 roadmap of blog edition with its own flow, a blog editor, theme selection, SEO, recent, and inline forms. What? Love it. Authorize.net integration, define custom invoices, ability to cancel. I think we're moving right now into the invoicing piece. I might be missing a little bit of a slide, but that's all right. Authorize.net, custom invoices for invoice payments, ability to cancel, absolutely. NMI, custom email, SMS notifications, ability to process refunds, and then payment received trigger for payment, subscriptions, order forms, etc. This includes failed payment triggers as well. So lots happening under payments. We saw the authorize.net and NMI, and we also have the ability now to cancel those subscriptions in GoHighLevel, and we can also process those refunds. Invoice title and notifications and customizations is coming with a little bit of an editor here that's going to give us the ability to add some bold, etc. And then the payment received trigger is very powerful. What's coming? Tax integration, QuickBooks integration, invoice text editing options, export lists, terms and conditions formatting, and some UI enhancements. We're seeing those everywhere, right? Internationalization for payments, and then sending invoices in a workflow using those payment templates. The internationalization is also a really powerful piece that they ducked back in at the end and started to talk a little bit more about this. The internationalization, you can see these are the first languages on the docket, and the user level language preference and the sub-account level default language, we can see that has just dropped yesterday, just before this video. And then estimates and proposals is also minimum viable product released in June. So what I want to say, I don't know about you, but when I go to build the funnel, it takes me 5 days because I'm not sure that I've got everything I need, first of all, and then I'm going to, do I need the form? And I go back to the funnel, and I go back over the email, and oh my God, I forgot that link, and then I'm back over here, and I'm doing this. It takes me 5 days, right? How in the world does GoHighLevel do this? I don't know, but isn't it incredible? Stay tuned. They're going to fulfill on all of this, but there's more stuff always coming, and we never know. It's just dropped. Stay here. We're going to bring you the breaking news here first. My name is Pamela Dale, your GHL gal. Like, follow, subscribe, stick around. Love to keep working with you on this journey.